Yo, what it is? We're back with another video. I just got off work, but I got a surprise. I'm finna hit the range. New content dropping. Got a little surprise for y'all, so I need y'all to stay tuned. Hey, what it is? So we shooting today. Today, we're gonna be shooting that motherfucking Draco. First time ever shooting a Draco. Yeah, we're finna go up in there, cop some ammo. I'm a member here, so everything should be nice and smooth. Yeah, let's do it. Here we are, man. Range USA, this is my spot, so I like to come to. It's cool vibes. Feel me? Ain't got too much to really worry about. And I love coming during the week, because when you come during the week, there's usually not too many people here. So, yeah. Hey, man, this is the spot. This is where we at. Got some 9mm right there and stuff in here, man. I can't even really go through everything, but we're gonna get right to it. Got them right there. We got some. This would be cool. Like I said, we're just gonna get a couple shots off, see how it go. I ain't never shot no Draco before, so. And then I'm gonna go up in there. Gotta get my ears. Always make sure you got that protection, my boy. Get your boy in lane 20, and I got the membership, so I never gotta worry about my time or anything like that. Feel me? That's it. Today, we got this motherfucking Draco. I'm also going to shoot the new 15 round mag I got, see how I go on my 43 EDC. I think that was a headshot. I ain't gonna, I saw, I think that last shot right there was a headshot. I can't really see. Yeah, shoot pretty good, especially for this first round going through. He shot pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna load up one more time. Yes, you do. Here we go. That's all she wrote. Appreciate y'all.